TRESemme Colour Enhancing Mask in the shade Ash Blonde. I have some major yellow tones in my hair. Let's get rid of them. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. If you have watched my channel previously or recently, you will notice there's something different about me. Yeah, my hair. And yeah, 2 weeks ago I went to a new hairdresser I've never been to before, and I thought, bugger it, let's just get a normal balayage. So she took it right up, as you can see. And then I thought, if I'm happy with the colour, that's it for the bleach. I'm not doing it anymore. Famous last words. And when I chose a toner, I actually chose the wrong toner. I just heard the word ashy and I was like, yep, that's the one that I want. Unbeknownst to me, I actually chose a brown toner. So my hair looked dark brown again. You couldn't actually see the balayage or balayage, whatever. And yeah, that was a little bit of a waste, not being able to see what I'd got done at my hair after I spent all that money. So I got impatient, and I got some vitamin C tablets. I crushed them on up. I had about 20 of them, crushed them on up, got some Head and Shoulders shampoo, mixed them together, and I popped it on my hair. So this helps to strip hair colour. And let's just say I had orange hair. Orange. I booked in with my normal hairdresser and said, yeah, I'm really sorry for cheating on you, but help. So yeah, I got her to bleach on top of the other bleach that the other hairdresser had done, and it's much lighter, much lighter, but now we have a yellow look. I could have got her to put a toner on. I like to put the toner on myself. So what I've done, I did that on Monday, today's Wednesday, so I've left it a couple of days just for my hair to rest a bit. I don't actually know what my hair is doing there. I'm not liking this blonde look on me. It is very yellow. I will try and get some better footage. Right, so here I am in my bedroom, a bit better light, so you can really see them yellow tones there. If I just walk over to my window, yeah. So, and just to say as well, I do have some of my dark bits as well. So obviously I know the toner's not going to touch the dark bits there. But I thought for this video, again, let's try and neutralise that yellow. So I got this. So it's by TRESemme, and it's a colour enhancing mask, and it's ash blonde. So on the back it does say that this is supposed to reduce brassy and yellow tones from your colour. So that's what we're going to do today, see what we can do. I am hoping I'm gonna see a difference, because I'm really not enjoying this yellow. But lifting this up, oh, so it's quite dark. So there it is there, it is quite dark. Interesting. Smells absolutely beautiful. It just says here, wash your hair with your favourite TRESemme shampoo. I actually don't have any TRESemme shampoo, so it's just going to be any shampoo of my choice. Evenly distribute the mask on damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to the tips. For a quick refresh, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For a more intense colour conditioning, leave in for up to 15 minutes. I'm going to pop it on because I've got the blonde going quite far up. It does say here, focus from mid to tips. I'm going all the way to the root, baby. So I am going to be putting this on from root to mid-lengths for 10 minutes, I want to say. And then for the last 5 minutes, pop it from mid-lengths to the tips, because these are going to be so porous, the end bits of my hair. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click and try it out for yourself. First things first, let's get my hair out of these pigtails. So yes. Oh my god, it makes me look so washed out. I just don't like it. I'm not keen on it. So I've just got out the shower, I've just washed my hair. And I'm just going to gently, oh yeah, that's very tangly. I'm just going to gently put this comb through my hair and we'll get on to popping the mask on. So I have my dye towel to the side of me. I have a 1 million-year-old clip, which I use as my dye clip. And now I'm going to section my hair and do from my roots to mid-length. So it's darker than I thought. I'm really sorry about the bad lighting, but this is what it looks like. So it's like it's mostly purple, but it has a very strong blue tone to it. I've just put it on my end when I didn't want to put it on my ends. Root to mid-length done. I'm going to come back in 10 minutes time. Yeah, let's whack the rest on. We'll leave for another 5 minutes and wash it out. Our colour enhancing mask, Ash Blonde, with effective colour pigments, reduces brassy and yellow tones, refreshing your colour without damaging your hair. In just minutes, this nourishing mask, enriched with UV filter and argan oil, provides a vibrant colour with a boost of glossy shine in between colourings or salon visits, suitable for natural and coloured hair. All in, all evenly covered and very, very saturated. Word of warning, use gloves. All washed out. Majority have come off my hands, thank goodness. My nails are slightly purple. Let's see what it's like. Ooh, I think I can see a difference. Right, okay, we are back. We have a fresh face on, and it's time to style. So I am going to be using the TRESemme Heat Protectant, and I'm also going to be using my Revlon One Step Styler. Excuse all the hair on there. Yeah, let's get a blow drying and see what the final results are, all dry and styled. So if you have any product recommendations for toners or semi-permanent hair dyes, or even just a normal hair mask, comment down below and I will certainly put them on my wish list. This is the final result. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm actually really shocked. I wasn't expecting much difference, if I'm honest, but seeing the results, there is a huge difference, like mega difference. So as you can see, the ends, some of the ends are like white, which is absolutely great. There is warmer tones in the hair, so where it was the most yellow, which was like at the bits here, they are still warm, but the colour, the change is crazy, absolutely crazy. There is some bits that has a slight tinge of like a purpley blue hue, which is just a little bit here. There's a little tiny bit there, and you can see throughout like the actual results. But even the warmer tones I'm really happy with. Really like this better than when before we started. I hated my hair before we started, but now again, blonde's not me, but this is a lot better, a lot better. It's not as light as it was before. For some reason it's gone quite dull outside, but yeah, I will insert some footage here of natural light. So yeah, this is in natural light, so you can see those cool tones here and here a lot more clearly. Yes, it is still, it's got a yellow tone to it, but it's certainly a massive improvement to what it was. But yeah, this is in natural light. But yeah, overall I can totally recommend this product. I have used about half. So for me personally, yes, I did put a lot in. So I can get 2 masks out of this, and for the price, I think it's fantastic, to be honest with you. I'm really happy. I might check out and see what other colours that they do and see if they have a silver one and see what's what. But yeah, definitely gets a massive thumbs up from me. Have you used this before? If so, comment down below with your results. But I will link this down below in the information box and the comment box, so if you want to try out for yourself, click the link, get it, whack it in your hair. One thing I must say, it's not as conditioning as I thought it would be. With being a mask, I thought it was going to be really conditioning. It looks nice, it's got a nice shine on it. Let me show you. It's got a beautiful, beautiful shine on it, but wow, my hair was so matted with it on. How can I describe it? When I was washing it out of my hair, when you've got conditioner or a mask in your hair and you're washing it out, you can just feel how soft your hair is and your fingers go straight through. With this, the only thing that I would like to see from this is for it to be a bit more conditioning, a bit more moisturising. But after filming this, I'm just going to pop a tiny bit of oil in my ends. I absolutely love the results. Wow. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.